Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve error Facebook something went wrong problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Tap on hold Google Chrome. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on clear all data and tap on OK. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Check internet connection on your phone. Go to Google Chrome. Click on Facebook option. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.